Because so much is changing next week for our most populated counties, we want to let you know specifically what will be open and the regulations around those openings. So News 4's Corey Stark takes a closer look at what to expect, Corey, in St. Louis City and St. Louis County.
Well, Claire, first things first here, the city and county have many of the same guidelines in place. Places that are allowed to reopen to the public must limit their occupancy. Masks need to be worn by employees and guests, and strict sanitation rules are in place. For places open to the public like restaurants, hair salons, and retail stores, spaces less than 10,000 square feet can have 25% of their max capacity. Spaces larger than that square footage can only have up to 10% of their max capacity. Any gatherings at your home or at a public place like a park can't be more than 10 people. For office buildings, city and county officials say no more than 10 people can be in a conference room at one time. Also, working from home and social distancing is being encouraged. And although things are reopening on Monday, St. Louis Mayor Lyda Krewson had this message this afternoon.
It is still a very fierce virus, and if you are older or if you have any underlying health conditions, you should still fear COVID, and you should still certainly make sure that you don't put yourselves in situations where you're exposed to it.
Just a reminder, gyms, pools, and large entertainment venues like the zoo and Missouri Botanical Gardens are still closed. Mayor Krewson says she is asking for those large venues to submit their reopening plans, and she hopes to make a decision on those in the next few weeks. Claire?